Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to check and unlink your linked apps with a Google account. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to the website address google.com. Look at the top right corner and click on your profile picture, initial icon, or Google account avatar. From there, click explicitly on the option labeled Manage Your Google Account. If you entered your main account panel, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar layout and click directly on the tab named Security and Sign In. Scroll down through the secondary security properties page until you locate the section labeled Your Connections to Your Linked Apps. Click on the button at the bottom labeled See All Connections. The system layout interface will instantly display a comprehensive chronological list of every external app, website, and service authorized to access your data. Scroll through the dashboard list to review the platforms and click directly on the specific third-party app you want to investigate or remove. Inside the detailed permissions panel layout that expands on your screen, look down and click explicitly on the option labeled Delete All or Remove Access. A confirmation pop-up dialog box will appear on your display screen, warning that Google will instantly stop automatic sign-ins and block future data transfers. Move your cursor to the bottom right corner of this warning overlay box and click explicitly on the blue button labeled Confirm to finalize the separation. The database framework will instantly update your security parameters, erasing the shared access token and dropping the app from your account connection loop completely. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.